Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful Hexagon Tower Box as a Rakhi gift hamper with lots of tricks and tips including the decoration. So I have created this beautiful shaker on top and you can just open it like this. You need to open the ribbon, and after opening you will get 6 sections on which I have added different gifts according to the occasion of Rakhi. So you can use this hamper for any occasion like Diwali, Christmas, New Year or birthday, and it's a multi-purpose decorative gift box. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So today I am taking this Ethnic Elegance paper pack which is by Paavik Papers. I have already shown the detailed video about the paper pack in my previous videos. If you want to check that, I have given link in description box, you can check there. And also if you want to purchase this paper pack, I have given all details in description box about Paavik Papers, you can contact her. So first I am taking this off-white color cardstock and using 4 cm radius I am making one circle. This sheet is having 260 GSM thickness. Now I am dividing this circle in 6 equal parts using the same radius, that is 4 cm, and making one hexagon shape. Like this. Now on each edge I am marking on 2 centimeters like this, so that we can create one more big hexagon on top of this. So I am just marking on 2 centimeters from each side. Now you just need to join these markings and create one more big hexagon shape. Then I am just joining this and this point and creating one line on top and one in the bottom. Similarly repeat on remaining sides. Here I am making a hexagon box, and the length of these markings should be 4 cm because we have taken 4 cm radius. Now I'm just cutting the outer hexagon. Then we need to crease this inner hexagon using ball tool. And then I am cutting one side of each flap. And the remaining side we need to crease. Then I am just rubbing all my pencil work and then I will crease each fold. Like this. Then just add glue on this folded flap and construct your hexagon box. So the box is ready. In the same way, we need total 6 hexagon boxes to add inside our tower box. So this is done. Now I will start decorating my hexagon box with some pattern papers using Ethnic Elegance paper pack. So I have just cut the hexagons and side panels, and I am decorating it from inside and outside. So this is done. We don't need to add the pattern paper on the 6th edge from outer side, because anyways we are going to stick it with the base, so don't need to add the pattern paper here. And I have decorated the remaining 5 hexagon boxes as well. So this is done. Now I'm taking one more cardstock piece which measures 30 by 18 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 4.5 centimeters, 9, 13.5, 18, 22.5 and 27 centimeters. Now just fold all the creases. And after folding, it should look like a hexagon shape. Then I am decorating this flap as well using some pattern paper strips. In the same way, decorate from other side as well. So after decorating it from inside, it will look like this. And on the outer side, I have added 2 ribbons. I have just stuck these ribbons inside the pattern paper. You can add the ribbons before adding pattern paper as well. Now from inside, I will start adding my hexagons one by one in step manner. That is, I am starting from topmost left corner and I will come down one by adding these hexagon boxes on each flap from left to right. And this is done. Allow it to dry. Now I'm starting with making the lid. So I have already prepared this hexagon shape. I have taken 4.7 centimeter radius to create this inner hexagon shape, and the distance between these two hexagons is 4 centimeter. Everything is same, just like we created for our hexagon boxes, just the difference of the size is here. So again I am just folding each flap and constructing my hexagon box for lid. just trimming out if any excess paper is coming. And then I will start decorating this hexagon box as well using pattern papers. Similarly, add the papers on edges from inside and outside. So this is done, and our lid is also ready, and it will look like this after adding pattern papers. Now I'm just closing my tower box and putting the lid on top of this. It fits perfectly on this, and our beautiful hexagon tower box hamper is ready. Now you can just close it by tying a bow knot using ribbon, and it's looking super gorgeous. Now it's time to decorate it. So you can just decorate it using some punch borders in the bottom, and I will show you the top decoration. So here I have cut one heart shaped ring using golden cardstock, and on back side I have added acetate sheet and double-sided foam tape. So here I am creating the shaker heart window, and inside the heart I am adding some beautiful sequences by Paavik Papers in pink, golden and orange color, just perfectly matching with the paper pack. So I'm just adding all three sequences little bit, and then I will just remove the liner from top of the double-sided foam tape, and I will stick the designer paper heart on this. And the cute shaker heart is ready. Now I will decorate it on top of the lid. So just add little glue and connect it like this. Then I am adding some small cute paper flowers which I have created using 120 GSM soft floral oriental paper, and I am just sticking these flowers one by one. You can also decorate it with paper quilling flowers if you wish. So here I have added some green color leaves as well around the flowers, and then I am adding the sentiment "Love you bro" like this. Now our lid is completed. I have decorated the lid from bottom using some punch border design, and I have used golden mirror cardstock to create the border. I have given link for all the supplies in description box if you want to purchase anything. And I got this "Love you bro" sentiment from the Transfer Me sheet for Rakhi. It is specially created for Rakhi, and you will get lots of elements inside this Transfer Me sheet, so you can use these to decorate your Rakhi cards or Rakhi platters. Now taking back my box, and here also I have added some Transfer Me elements like lamp, swastik, box of sweets and Rakhi, so you can decorate it in any way, and it's looking superb. Now I will put one item inside each hexagon box. So here I have created one cute tag, "You are the best brother." Then I am adding this handmade Rakhi then some chocolates, silver coin, kumkum roli chawal and dry fruit. So according to your choice, you can add or fill these hexagons with different goodies or sweets. And then you can just close the box like this. Create a knot in the bottom to secure it. And then just put your lid on top of this. So the beautiful gift hamper for Rakhi is ready, and you can use this box for any occasion as I have said earlier. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.